So let's understand one more most asked interview question in common table expression. Okay, so top 3 डिपार्टमेंट बाय सैलरी एक्सपेंस. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. मुझे वो 3 डिपार्टमेंट लाके दो मेरी पूरी कंपनी में जिनमें सबसे ज्यादा सैलरी जा रही है. सो लेट्स से एडमिन, फाइनेंस एंड मार्केटिंग, इन डिपार्टमेंट्स को सबसे ज्यादा सैलरी मिल रही है क्योंकि आईटी वालों को तो कुछ मिलता नहीं है, राइट. सो लेट्स से वी हैव this table and we are fetching this data, employee name, salary and department. So what we need to do, we need to find top 3 department by salary expense. Okay, so what I can do here, I'm using common table expression, guys. So you can see here I'm creating one query first of all. Okay, in this query you can see I'm getting the total salary and looping by department. Okay, so what it will do, you can see 421, this is department ID and this is total salary, total sum of salary of each and every row. So what we need to find the top 3 ones. Okay, so here what I can do, I'm using common table expression with window function, and if you want to learn both, the link in the description. Okay, so here I am adding one more query with previous data. You can say I'm not using any other table here, I'm using previous data and this multiple common table expression here. Okay, so rank department, one of more temporary dicta trait as select department total salary rank. Okay, rank is necessary because I need 3 records only, right? So rank over for Windows partition, order by total salary because I need descending, so rank descending में आएगी as rec. Okay, why I'm using backtick, I want to know in comment section. Okay, so then I am writing my main query, select or from rank department where the rank less than or equal to 3. Okay, you can also write here less than 4. Okay, कि last 3 record ही मिले. And if I do this, so you can see department I have 5 to 4, total salary I have, and this is rank for this total salary. Okay, many people asking like why are you using limit and order and offset. Okay, so guys, if I had not told you that topic or if I had not teach you that topic, I will not go there. Okay, so window and common table expression I told you. So window and common table expression I created lessons or lectures for that. So now I can start an advanced topic with our shorts. Okay,